Hi guy, in this video we reviews, best espresso machine under $1,000 for making shots, flat whites, and cappuccinos. You don't need to break the bank to get cafe quality beverages. In fact, the coffee and espresso market is saturated with tons of machines under $1,000 that will brew your morning espresso to your liking. However, we chose our top espresso machines under $1,000 that we think you'll really love. Number 1. Breville Bambino Plus. The best espresso machine for beginners under $1,000. This potent little machine is fast and easy to use, and it will impress both beginners and experienced baristas with its consistent espresso shots and silky frothed milk. The Breville Bambino Plus is simple, speedy, and fun to use. It lets you make truly good espresso drinks at home. The user manual is easy to understand, and with a little practice, you can pull rich and consistent shots, and even capture some of the nuanced flavors of premium roasts. Most impressive, perhaps, is the Bambino Plus's ability to generate silky milk froth rivaling that made by your favorite barista, whether you use its super quick auto-froth setting or steam the milk manually. The Bambino Plus is also compact, so it should fit easily in any kitchen. Overall, the Bambino Plus is impressive for its size and price. During testing, I shared several results with my wife, who is also a former barista, and she was impressed by the balanced espresso shots and excellent milk texture. I was able to prepare cortados that tasted of pure milk chocolate, a rather elusive note captured through the synthesis of sweet microfoam and strong, but not overbearing, espresso crema. Number 2. Delila Specialista espresso machine with sensor grinder, dual heating system, advanced latte system and hot water spout for Americano coffee or tea. I'd be willing to bet that a lot of you will be looking for hybrid devices as you search for the best espresso machine under $1,000. In other words, a fully contained espresso machine with a built-in grinder on board. I have to say that I see the appeal. I mean, it's all very well to drop a chunk of cash on a fancy machine, but without a decent grinder you might as well forget the whole thing. Enter the Delila Specialista, which blew my mind during my hands-on testing. Not only does this Italian espresso machine look the part, it's capable of producing exceptional espresso. Plus, this baby has an assisted tamping function, making it an even more attractive proposition. Sure, it takes time to figure out how to get the best out of the La Specialista, but once you've dialed in, there are tons of intuitive and helpful adjustment settings for getting the best out of your beans. Oh, and I should mention that the machine's automatic milk frothing system works an absolute treat. In fact, it produced sumptuous microfoam that was better than what I could steam by hand. Costing under $1,000, the Delila Specialista is a shining star in the competitive hybrid segment. Number 3. GE Profile Semi-Automatic Espresso Machine plus Steam Frother. The GE Profile Espresso Machine combines form and function in a sleek and beautiful design. The app connection provides notifications when the water tank is low and allows things like water hardness to be updated. The GE Profile includes a water testing strip to test your water's hardness, which was a nice, unexpected surprise. The included tamper is heavier than others I've used, in a way that bolsters the quality feel and makes it easier to provide a more even tamp. The attached grinder allows you to choose between a more coarse or fine grind. I've had the best grind around setting 10 on the grinder with the beans I've used so far. The top of the machine provides the right amount of space to store extra filters, though it would be nice to have more storage underneath to store unused filters. The water catch tray has a red bar that will pop up if there is too much water in the tray. Additionally, there is a small storage area behind the tray with a small brush used to clean the machine. Another nice touch that left me wanting more hidden storage. The attached steam wand allows milk to easily be steamed, and it heats up the water quite quickly. The directions caution that using the steamer steams at a higher temperature than the brewing temperature, and recommends pulling all shots before steaming to avoid the brewing temp being too hot. Overall, I've been very happy with the GE Profile, and I definitely prefer the built-in grinder over the separate espresso machine and grinder I was using previously. Number 4. Caf Balisimo Semi-Automatic Espresso Machine. Caf Balisimo Espresso Machine is designed to give you perfect brewing performance and various beverage types. This machine is a built-in steam wand that rotates in a 180-degree motion. This machine offers you a variety of microfoam textures and thicknesses for lattes, flat whites, cappuccinos, and more. The Steam Frother feature is an excellent addition to the machine. Steam Frother allows you to create a variety of milk-based drinks to enjoy. The frother allows you to create the perfect amount of foam for your drink, whether you prefer a cappuccino with a thick layer of foam or a latte with a more delicate foam. The machine can also produce rich and delicious espresso with its 15-bar pressure pump. This high-pressure pump ensures you get a professional-grade espresso every time, with a perfect crema on top. Whether you like your espresso strong and bold or smooth and mild, the Caf Balisimo espresso machine can accommodate your preferences. The machine's hands-free grinding cradle and precise dose, cup warming tray, and extra-large water reservoir. The brewing process is easy and convenient. The machine also allows you to control and monitor the machine remotely via a smartphone app, which gives you complete control over your coffee-making experience. Number 5. Breville Barista Touch Espresso Machine. An all-in-one machine that can hold your hand. Sleek and powerful, with great programming and a built-in grinder, the Barista Touch lets beginners make a variety of cafe-quality espresso drinks at home with very little learning curve. The Breville Barista Touch offers lots of guidance in the form of a touchscreen control center with step-by-step tutorials and multiple programs, so it's great for beginners. But it also includes advanced controls and allows for manual operation, for more experienced users and people who want to get creative. It has a quality built-in grinder, as well as an adjustable auto-froth setting for milk that lets you control the amount of foam created. The Touch is a great choice if you want a machine that allows you to dive right in and start making decent drinks without having to pull up a host of how-to videos online. Even a guest could probably walk up and make themselves a drink on this machine without too much trouble. But those with more experience aren't likely to get bored. You can opt for more or less control over each step in your drink-making process. The Barista Touch is just as consistent as the smaller Breville Bambino Plus, and it's also a little more powerful, pulling balanced shots and frothing milk with ease.